Welcome to my channel. This is Christine. Today I am gonna do a mini house tour. I finally got my stuff done here, or pretty much everything is very close to done. I literally just had the toolbox right in the front door. We just took that out the other day, and a bunch of rods here at the very front door as well. That went away, so it felt good afterwards. So it's probably been about a month getting all that done, and the unpacking was done last week. So it feels good that actually now you can tell that, you know, there's progress here at my new place. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we've done and how I've set this place up. Okay, so this is at the front door. When you come in, this is what you see. Right there, I have my little cleaning station right here. And this is the sitting area. I have my TV and like a fireplace entertainment center type right there. And this, we don't really use. I'm not ready to get rid of it, but it's there. Maybe eventually that will go, because pretty much we hang out here. This table is huge. I love it because we can just spread everything around in there, you know, tons of room to put things in or on and utilize it that way. This is just like my drawers of stuff, of junk and paper stuff. And you know, these were like at the front room at the old house that I had before, and now it's all here. And right here is the kitchen. I have a door, side door right here that I have. And when you turn around, so here's my kitchen. I have this pink thing here because this is called a low profile stove. So the cat likes to jump on this, which has the control like on and off, and it beeps. So I just don't want to be like out of the house and it automatically turns on. So I just put this here because at least I think it deters him from jumping on it, and if he does, it, the sensor doesn't do anything. So that's why I leave that there. And that's how my counter looks. We still need to clean the windows, and that I'm gonna have somebody else do. So this is the other side when you're looking towards the kitchen. So this is an open concept main room, and that's what you see from this side of my place. Then if you turn around again, this is the upstairs where it heads up to the bedrooms. This is my office. This is where I do my work stuff right here, my computer, and this is my MacBook right here. And I have a little closet there, which I have some of my clothes. And this is just a shelving full of purses, along with makeup. Those are one of the things I like as well, are purses. On the left side of the upstairs is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. One thing I noticed about this sink, I love how it looks. Just when I get ready, I'm like, I don't have anywhere to put my stuff on. So I have a shelf here that the previous owner left. I just put it on top of this to cover the sink, or at least half of it, so I can still wash my hands afterwards. So that's what I do. We've added this as well, so there's more space for my stuff. Hiya. And also added this rack for towels, but don't really use it, but it's there. And right here is another closet of mine. This one turned into my bathroom closet. So this is what that consists of. The thing that I find with these doors, it kind of gets in the way, but I guess there's really no way of like having a sliding door for this. But when you do open these, it's like you need to have the doors wide open and sometimes I have to shuffle things around in here. And this is some of my makeup stuff pretty much, and some linen and towels in here. So it goes way up there, so I need a step stool that I do have laying on the floor here. Right there in that one, I kind of like have to move things around too when I open these. This is another closet of mine. Not too much stuff in here, but that's what it looks like. And this is my bedroom. Hopefully this is not so shaky. It's a little crowded, but going in here, I knew this is what's gonna happen, just so I can have the other rooms, the other two little rooms, was to, you know, I don't spend that much time in the bedroom except to sleep, but this is still my king size bed, and this pathway is enough to go in and out, you know, but that's the scenario of my bedroom. This is the largest room out of the house. This is my daughter's room, so I figured I'd give her this room so she can have her playroom area here as well. And this is it. Right here is her room, and check out her little dollhouse. I decided to put this curtains on it, but that's how it looks with a cute little furniture. And look at the little crib thing inside it. Isn't that so adorable? If I was little, I would have loved to have this. Like, look at that. That is way too cute. Right there. And this one even has like real toilets in it, and sink. So yeah, and then you can turn this thing around and it's like a blue gigantic house, so you get an idea how it looks there. So this is her princess bed, but she pretty much sleeps in my room when she's here. So I thought this was the best time to do this, because during the weekend they're gonna be here with me and the house is gonna be upside down. So this is the best time to do it. So going down the steps, we're in the main room again, main area, and going down is here where the boys stays. So I was concerned that they weren't gonna fit, but their stuff fit, no problem. This is my son's gaming table, he says, so he doesn't even really use this. And I have another closet here of my stuff. This is my oldest son's room or area. This is when he was little. Right there. I don't know if you can pick it up, but that's my kids would always say he looks like I can't remember her name now. I'll put it on here when I remember her name, but that's who they remind him of when he was little. This is just my lights that I use for filming. I put it here because I have nowhere else to put it, and it seemed like to work good with the fireplace here. So this is my 12-year-old bed, and this is the desk that he likes to use when he's here. Put his laptop there. This is my other son's desk that he uses, and this is my makeup room right here. So we put another closet, or what do you call that, an organizer to put my stuff in, so I got more clothes there and purses. And here is that area. I decided to label all my makeup because these, I'm always, if I'm looking for stuff, I'm like opening and closing it until I find the proper stuff. So now I have it labeled. Just the other night I did that, put the names on them of what's in there, like brow items, blushes. This one is miscellaneous, that's why it's got nothing there. Primer, shadow, perfume, and these I covered. It just looks too overwhelming for me. So I went ahead and covered that up, but it's just one of these kind of organizers that I have in there. And here, more makeup, and that's it for this room. This is kind of like an odd setup because the light is behind the door. So I have a light right here that I use. Okay, so when you get out of there, there is the bathroom right here. I also added this here just because this is all they get is that little area for their stuff. So this helped out a lot. And this is my laundry room. Finally, it's more organized since I got the drawers, the pedestals with the drawers in there, and this was added also. My son, my 18-year-old, had told my 12-year-old how to put this together. So this is my 12-year-old that put this together. Isn't that so awesome? And it feels sturdy, so that worked out well. I still need to get the sink changed in here just because it's so dirty, but that's going to be tough because it's such a small area to work with. So that's that. This is the laundry room still, and this is what I'm talking about, the crawl space that I have. So this place is huge, this crawl space. It goes all the way back over that way. And if it wasn't for this area right here, oh my gosh, I would have had trouble trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my stuff. Just turning off lights because I'm going to end up forgetting that I have the lights on. So I'm going to turn the camera around. So that is how my house look now. We also got the carpet put in. I'm going to turn this thing around, but there's the carpet. So when that got put in, I was like, wow, that's such night and day, just because it's more comfy, it looks more put together having that. And I'm out of breath because I just ate. Okay, also, did you guys know that Amazon started their lightning deals again? I guess it started this week. And I'm like so excited about it. Keep looking there, lightning deals, and I bought these from yesterday and just came today. What did I get? I have it here. I got the Awunion lint remover, since I keep seeing people with this, and it was like $14.50 with the deal. Excuse me. I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna show you which one I got, and have to try it sometime. So it's just like this. I'm sitting by the front door. You open it up, here's the box, and it came in a little pouch. Oh, these are the blade things that comes with it, and a little brush in there. And when you open the pouch, let's see, this is the first time I'm opening it, so I don't know what to expect. Oh, this is blue. So it's blue and white. Looks like that. And it's got the, where you plug it in. So how do you? Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out then, see how it works. So that's what I got. And the other thing I purchased was the little stick-on things, you know, the scented stuff. This is orange, sparkling citrus, it says. It smells good. I was thinking about putting that in the laundry room since my plugs there aren't much. So I thought I'd use that. And this one was the other day. Since this is a coin purse. Mind you, I haven't been paying cash lately, but I thought it's easier to have something that you can wipe instead of the cloth material, because that's pretty much what I have. So at least this one, you know, I go out and I can just, if I use it, I can easily wipe it. At my front here, I have this spray here, and also my hand sanitizer and all that, the front door. So it's pretty cool. I think I got this for $9. I don't even remember, but for sure it was like under $10. But it looks like this. They have different colors, And as you can see from the size, that's what it looks like. It's got a little keychain inside along the outside, and it's got a little pocket in there too, like that. So if you guys like buying things at Amazon, have you guys bought a lot more things since they got the lightning deals and all the deals that they have? So I guess everybody's just trying to go back to normal now, so it's kind of nice that way. Plus, when the weather starts getting warm, kind of make you feel like you want to do more things, or at least that's how I feel. And then, oh yeah, I want to show you guys, I am back. I'm sitting on the trunk. The trunk where where I put my weights. That just reminds me too, it's like 1:30 in the afternoon and I still haven't done my workout. So this is my purse right now. I figured it's easier to have one of these where I can easily wipe it, you know. After I get back, I have my little hair thing here just so I don't have to keep messing with my hair when I'm out. So I put it back when I go to the store, and I have my mask right here and some gloves, my little wallet right there. Yeah, I got cash in there, but I just haven't been using it. It just sits here along with my other things. My keys are in here as well. And let's see, more gloves. I guess this one are the used ones and the other one was the new ones that I have here. And these are, what do you call these? Disinfectant wipes. Can't remember what they're called. I have some back here. I'm like, I had to look at the name for that. And yeah, that's all pretty much. Oh yeah, I got another mask here. This is a reusable mask I purchased. I just don't use it as often because I wear makeup, and I know when I wear makeup my mask is like, you know, from my foundation, it just looks brown and dirty, so I didn't want to get this dirty. But yeah, looks like that. And it's black. I wish they'd make the inside black as well, so you don't see the when you wear makeup that it looks grody. But yeah, so far, ever since the, you know, with this virus thing, that's what I've been carrying in my stuff. It's just kind of like from going to the store quickly and out, not like out for a long stroll outside. So that's what I've been carrying. How are you guys doing? Let me know. Hopefully, I can't get that. There, it's like a little fuzz. Hopefully you guys are doing well. And I'll be more consistent of doing videos. It was just crazy how it is with having to unpack everything. And I just wanted to get done. I was hoping to be done within a week, but of course I have no control of other things too that needs to happen here where I can't do myself, so I have to be patient. But at least it's done. This time I'm planning to get some stuff done outside, and you know, hopefully within a month with that one we can be done. And I don't know, what else is there to talk about? The weather's nice here. It's not as hot as it was. It's 17 degrees so Celsius. So Celsius, I'm not sure. Maybe that's like in the 60s in Fahrenheit. But it feels good since the sun is out. Just looking out the window, that's why. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys next time.